Retinol must be part of your skincare. Retinol stimulates your cellular proliferation and natural collagen production, which diminishes the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Now, is it safe? I have to say that I'm proud that our Retinol 500 is derived from fig, which is a secondary source of vitamin A. Retinol is one of those products that is a little tricky, and it sometimes scares people because your skin starts to react to it, and people usually think that they're having a reaction, an allergic reaction, but it's not. With retinol, what happens is that if you've never used it before, you have to start gently, slowly. So when you come under our care, I actually send you reminders on when to start and when to take the next step. And if you have any questions on what happens during your treatment, you can always text me, message me, and let me know, and I will walk you through it. But retinol really saves your investment and gives you a beautiful skin. So when you get an energy-based treatment, you want to make sure that you stop your retinol about 1 to 2 weeks before, depending on what kind of treatment you're getting, and also you stop it for 1 to 4 weeks after. When you get your first retinol and when you're done and get your second retinol 500, you also get a facial during that time, and we can reevaluate your skin and see where you're at. So your first retinol you get, the second retinol, and thereafter you get your facials with it, at least for a limited time now. So find out how you can get started.